Makikita natin ang color-coded guide na blue, yellow, at green na may kanya-kanyang kahulugan sa ating research per paragraph. Yan yung sample ng research abstract natin. An abstract is a short summary of your published or unpublished research paper, usually about a paragraph. Yan. 6 to 7 sentences, 150 to 250 words. Ito po yung contents ng abstract. The main reasons, the exigency, the rationale, the goals for your research. Yan. Your research or analytical method, findings, results, arguments, or significance or implication is nandun din po sa ng title natin. Diba? Phenomenology siya. On the road, Freightliners, the live experiences of delivery workers amid COVID-19 pandemic in Carmona, Cavite. Jansel Villahermosa. Ayan. This is the sample of research abstract of Mr. Jansel Villahermosa. We have 3 paragraphs here and then 1 sentence sa last part. Simulan natin sa first paragraph. As you can see, along with the outbreak of coronavirus, pansin nyo, ito is nasa general content. Hindi man sila parehong-pareho, pero pinaraphrase na yung laman ng introduction. Tukoy dito is yung mga challenges na kakaharapin nitong mga workers na ito. Mapapansin natin dito, may question, merong research design, at paanong gagawing interview, at ilan yung i-interviewin. Okay? Pag tinignan po natin yan doon sa thesis o doon sa kompletong papel, question, yun yung nandoon sa abstract kanina. Ano naman po yung phenomenological design na nasa research design doon sa papel natin. Ito naman yung sources of data. Nandoon naman yun yung multi-in-depth interviews saka yung 5 to 25 individuals. Ito po yung paragraph number 3. Nandiyan yung 5 participants. Yung naka-color green po, ito is researchers set aside all the preconceived experiences. After gathering data, ano ba yung gagawin? Okay, kukunin yung significant statement. Tapos pagka-interview mo, sa color blue tayo nandun yung transcription. Di ba? Sulat. Tapos ika-cluster mo ngayon sila. Okay? And then, nasa textual description at nandun sa structural description. What the participants experience, saka how the participants experience the phenomenon. Okay, and then, after they gather data, sinulat nila yon, kinlaster nila. Ngayon, may overall essence yun. Color-coded kanina. Ayan, nandiyan yung bracketing, yung preconceived experiences, nandiyan yung transcription, yung naka-arrow. Yung last sentence natin, ito is sinamarize or pinaiksi niya na lang yung conclusion. Ayan po siya sa conclusion.